Amazing views of nature for the price we paid. Very clean and not as busy or overcrowded. Fast service. Totally worth the money. The only downside is they don't have pre-sale tickets for Dham Sen Park and Verdant Pagoda. RCM should book tickets on the app in advance because the lines are super long. If you don't buy tickets in advance, you'll have to wait a long time. Plus, you get a discount when you buy tickets on the app. Birds come back in large numbers in the evening. Boating is great. Weekends are very crowded. If possible, go on weekdays.